Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to, I think it's called Black Ankle Winery. I don't know. I was on Google Maps this morning, figured I had a couple hours to ride around. So I picked an intersection 25-30 miles from my house and said, hey, what's near there? All right, here we go. What's your favorite kind of wine? My wife likes Riesling. I like wet. And my mom, I think, likes Chardonnay. I'm more of a bourbon guy myself. And occasionally I drink scotch. Because Ron Burgundy drinks scotch. Scotchity scotch. But really I'm a bourbon guy. But I will drink an IPA occasionally, especially during football season. Grab a nice 60 or 90 minute IPA. Boom, that's good. Nice and tasty. Love it. What's that old Facebook post that keeps going around? It's like ways to respond to your wife, and it's got good, better, best, things like that. And it's like, if she says, I'm hungry, the good response is, well, I'll fix you dinner. The better response is, here, have some chocolate for dinner. And the best response is, here, have a glass of wine. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing today. I'm gonna go buy her a bottle of wine. Well, that's unexpected. Luckily, I have the navigator turned on. So it's giving me a new route. It's gonna take us down Rocky Road. All right. I've never been down this road before. We'll give it a shot. Well, this just got interesting, didn't it, folks? I've ridden past this road hundreds of times. Never been down it before. Pretty narrow and bumpy. Now I know why I don't ride down it. Oh well, life's an adventure, right? I always thought this road would be a shortcut between 124 and 108. But let me tell you, you gotta ride it kind of slow or have an ADV, you know, one of them adventure bikes. Boy, it's bumpy. Not much fun. Nope. I think $1 Million Bogan would like this road, though. That guy's nuts. All right, we're back on our way. Wonder why that road was closed. Man, the visibility today is just stunning. The sky is so clear. I gotta check Google Maps because I saw a city earlier for one brief second over some mountains and stuff and way off in the distance. And that was pretty cool. Wow. On the radio just now, they announced that Alex Trebek is up. It makes me sad. I used to love watching Jeopardy. The show was awesome. I always liked it when I knew an answer and the contestants didn't. It didn't happen all that often, but it happened enough. But man, that's a sad loss. Alex Trebek was awesome. Godspeed, Alex Trebek. Godspeed. Check that out, folks. That's that visibility I was telling you about. Just freaking unreal today. Look at that again. Wow. That's cool. Man, when my GPS says scenic route, it really means it. This is awesome. These are some fun roads to ride on. I tell you what, folks. Oh boy. I gotta remember this destination to come back here. If not for the wine, then just for the roads to get there. So either this is a cut through or this place is back in the woods. I have no idea. Let's find out. Well, I've now lost radio reception and I think I heard banjo. Ruh-roh. Okay, apparently Black Ankle Road is around the corner here. There it is. Looks to be paved, that's a good sign. see what we got going on here. Nobody coming? All right, my turn. Ooh, hello, big truck. Thank you. All right, you helped us out. All right, now where are we going? Okay. Oh, I think it makes a loop. I'm just gonna follow the directions here. That SUV is probably going the same place. Don't fall off. That is steep. I don't know if you can see that on camera. That's like a 60-degree drop off. That would definitely end my good day. Oh yeah. It says turn right there. That's not happening. Aha. All right, we're gonna ride into the winery. Cool. Oh, that's not good. All right. Ooh, real easy over it. Real easy. Ooh. Woo. All right. That was not on the brochure. Oh boy, that was close. All right, we made it. Haha, winner, winner. Let's go get a bottle of wine and get back out on the road, huh? I'm gonna park it right up here. Hope nobody hits it. All right. That's a good enough spot. All right, got a bottle of wine, sort of on the expensive side. I hope the wife likes it. But let's get back out on the road. Yay, it's another one of those grates. Oh, that is the weirdest feeling. Wow, that is the weirdest feeling going over that grate. Not fun. Hello?
Hi.
What's up, babe? I'm at an undisclosed location. Well, I bought you a present, so I want it to be a surprise. So, I'm currently on the bike, probably an hour, hold on. Yeah, I should be there by 3:30. Yeah, so this winery is sort of off the beaten path, if you will. And by sort of, I mean a lot of it. So yeah, it's way off the beaten path. But we made it in, we made it out, we didn't drop the bike, got a bottle of wine, job done. Now let's move on. Hey, it's a couple of Trikes and a gold wing, maybe a second gold wing, and that's cool. Look where they're riding to. We have our destination, but we'll ride with them for a little while. You know, I can't tell for sure, but I think as far as group rides go, this is the first time I've been the only Harley in a group of other makes of bikes. How funny is that? I wonder what that is up front and in the middle. Yeah, that's a Goldwing Trike, it looks like, and maybe a Can-Am Spider, and another Goldwing. Huh. Well, it looks like my time with this little group is over. I'm making a right up here at the light. I don't know what they're doing. On second thought, we're all going to the same place. I guess. I don't know. I wonder where they're going. I'm supposed to turn left on a Lakeview Drive, whatever the heck that is. I'm gonna go this way. I think it'll take me home. All right, we finally diverged from that group. They were a lot of fun. They rode quick. They were respectful. They stopped at lights and stop signs and stuff, so that's pretty cool. I wish them well. And it's a beautiful day in November. There are a ton of bikes out today. I love it. It's great. So this guy in front of me went off the road. Apparently he's okay and the bike's okay. Looks a little cockeyed to me, but what do I know? It's a Trike. I don't know anything about him. But me and a guy on a street glide stopped by and made sure he was okay. Unfortunately, I didn't catch it on camera, but it happened right before I got there anyway, so there really wasn't much to see. But keep it safe, folks. Well, folks, I'm going to head home. I'm going to leave this video here. As usual, yada yada, spiel, like, comment, subscribe. Until I see you again, keep the shiny side up. Have a great day.